Hey everyone! Welcome back to Design Hub of Heavy Machineries. Today, we're talking about something super useful, mechanical advantage. Sounds complicated? Don't worry, I'll break it down in a super simple way. What if I told you that you could lift heavy objects with less effort? That's exactly what mechanical advantage helps us do. Let's dive in. Mechanical advantage is just a fancy way of saying how much easier a machine makes a job for us. It's the ratio of output force to input force. In simple words, it tells us how much a tool or machine helps multiply our effort. Here's the basic formula. Mechanical advantage is equal to output force divided by input force. Higher mechanical advantage results in less effort needed. Now let's look at how we use mechanical advantage every day. Example 1. Levers, scissors, crowbars, seesaws. Imagine you're trying to pull out a nail with a crowbar. Without it, super hard. With it, easy. That's because the longer handle increases mechanical advantage by reducing the effort needed. Example 2. Pulleys, lifting buckets, gym machines, cranes. Ever seen someone pull water from a well using a rope and pulley? The pulley makes lifting heavy loads much easier. Example 3. Inclined plane, ramps, stairs, slopes. Ever pushed a heavy box up a ramp? It's much easier than lifting it straight up. That's because the ramp spreads out the effort over a longer distance, giving you a mechanical advantage. Example 4. Wheel and axle, bicycles, cars, doorknobs. Try opening a door without a knob, it's tough. The round knob gives you mechanical advantage by reducing the effort needed to turn the latch. Example 5. Wedges, knives, axes, nails. A sharp knife concentrates force on a small area, making cutting much easier. Knowing about mechanical advantage helps us work smarter, not harder. Understand how simple machines work. Design better tools for daily life. So next time you use scissors, push a door, or ride a bike, remember, you're using mechanical advantage. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment below with your favorite example of mechanical advantage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.